How to build a personal brand without being an influencer. You do not need millions of followers to build a personal brand. In fact, some of the most successful people online have personal brands you've never heard of, but they make 6 or even 7 figures a year. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how I have seen lots of brands build their personal brand without ever dancing on TikTok or begging for likes. Hi, I'm Tola Daniels, and on this channel, I share practical strategies for growing your business and income online without any fluff. I build products, businesses live, test ideas, launch adverts live, while showing all the wins, the results, challenges live, hiding nothing. So if you are tired of chasing followers and you want to focus on impact and income, not just influence, keep watching. Most people think personal brand equals being an influencer, but a personal brand is really the perception people have of you based on the value you provide. A good example is a consultant who gets clients from LinkedIn without posting selfies daily, or a course creator like myself who has built a credible brand in their niche, even if they are not internet famous. Key takeaway, it's about trust, positioning, and solving a specific problem. So these are the steps I found after studying several brands who have grown from absolute scratch. Step 1, pick your core value proposition. That is, what's the one problem you solve? For example, I help small business owners get more leads through Google Ads. That's clear and simple, right? Then step 2, choose your platform strategically. You don't have to be everywhere. Just pick 1 or 2 platforms where your audience hang out. For instance, maybe YouTube or even LinkedIn, niches or communities, or even TikTok. Then step 3, share value assets, not just content. Share case studies, frameworks, live, videos, tips, short tutorials, before and after results. This will give you a high level of authenticity, and it positions you as an expert instead of just a content entertainer, right? Then step 4, build social proof, testimonials, results gradually, then try collaborations, speaking gigs. See, you can have only 500 followers, but still close high ticket deals if your system is solid. Step 5, create a conversion path, a landing page, email list, lead magnets, so that strangers can turn into subscribers and clients. And avoid these branding traps. Just avoid them very well. Number 1, don't copy big influencers. Your niche might need a different tone, so just do you, all right? Don't focus only on aesthetics. Focus on clarity and authenticity. Don't wait until you are ready. Start building now. And here is a 30-day personal branding challenge I prepared for you. 1, define your positioning in 1 sentence. So whatever it is you do and who you do it for, let it be fixable into just a sentence so it can be clear. Then 2, create your first 3 value assets. 3, share them on your chosen platform daily. Then 4, set up a basic landing page to collect leads and emails. 5, reach out to 5 to 10 potential collaborators so you can collaborate and help yourselves grow. Now you know you don't have to be an influencer to build a personal brand. You just have to be valuable, consistent, and intentional. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who is ready to level up their personal brand too. And if you want me to break down a full content plan you can use to grow from zero, drop a comment below saying brand. And if I see a couple of them, I'll make it happen. And I'll see you in the next one.